Hello students, today we will see about indicators. Have you ever tasted lemon? It tastes sour. Or taste of the baking soda is bitter. And we cannot taste soap, so we can only feel it's slippery. So these everyday items which have something in common, they are either acids or base. But how can we tell the difference without tasting them? Here comes the indicator. So, in this chapter, we will learn about indicators, types of indicators, examples of indicators, and identify whether a substance is acid, base, or neutral by examining its impact on the color of an indicator. China rose is a natural indicator, phenolphthalein is synthetic indicator, olfactory indicator, that is onion. These are some of the examples of the indicators. So indicators are used to test acids and bases. Indicators are the substances that change color when comes in contact with acid or a base. It gives different colors in acid and base. These are acid base indicators. Acids are the substances that taste sour and bases are bitter in taste. Mineral acids, for example, hydrochloric acid, and bases, sodium hydroxide, which we cannot taste, are tested by indicators. Indicators, which is used to test whether a given substance is acid or a base. We have three common indicators, that is natural indicator, synthetic indicators, and olfactory indicators. First, we'll see about natural indicator. Natural indicators are obtained naturally. For example, litmus solution is obtained from the plant lichen. So we can make either litmus solution or litmus paper. This is a blue litmus paper which is used to identify whether a given solution is acid or a base. If I put a drop of acid on blue litmus paper, or if I dip a blue litmus paper in acid solution, it will change into red color. Blue litmus paper changes to red in acidic solution. Red litmus paper. If I dip a red litmus paper in base, then red litmus paper changes to blue in basic solution. Whereas red litmus paper remain red in acid and blue litmus paper will remain blue in base. Let's see the example. Blue litmus paper, it looks like this. Red litmus paper. So red litmus paper, it will remain red in acidic solution. This is a hydrochloric solution. If I dip this red litmus paper in hydrochloric solution, or if I put a drop of acid on this red litmus paper, it will remain red. There won't be any color change in the red litmus paper. Similarly, blue litmus paper, if I put a drop of sodium hydroxide, that is a base, on blue litmus paper, there won't be any change in blue litmus paper. Whereas red litmus paper will turn blue in sodium hydroxide, that is basic solution. On the other hand, blue litmus paper will turn red in hydrochloric acid, that is acidic solution. Next natural indicator is turmeric. The color of the turmeric is yellow in color. In acidic medium, it will be remaining yellow color. In basic medium, it will change into reddish brown or red color. Other natural indicators, similarly like red litmus paper, in the same way we have red litmus solution. The solution will be purple color. acidic medium it gives reddish color, and in basic medium it will be purple. Turmeric, yellow in color, acidic medium it will remain yellow, in basic medium it will be reddish brown. Many times you have seen, suppose some turmeric or any curry fell on your t-shirt, and if you wash with soap it will change into red color. Why? Because soap is a base which will turn in which will turn the yellow color into reddish brown color. Another example is China rose. The China rose extract, the natural color is light pink. Acidic medium, the color of the solution will change into dark pink, and in basic solution it will change into green. Red cabbage is also a natural indicator. The extract is obtained from the leaves. The color is purple color. If this extract is, if I'll put in acidic medium, it will change into red color, and in basic medium it will change into green color. Another natural indicator is hydrangea. The petals are blue in color. If I put a drop of acid on the blue petals, it will remain blue, and if I put a drop of base on the petals, it will change into purple color. So, with the help of hydrangea petals, we can determine whether a given substance is acid or a base. Next is synthetic indicators. These indicators are manufactured in the laboratory. Example, methyl orange indicator. The original color is orange color. If I put a drop of methyl orange indicator in the acidic solution, it will change into red color. In the basic solution, if I put a drop of methyl orange, then the solution will turn into yellow color. So this is how we can identify with the color change whether the given substance is acid or base with the help of the indicators. Next is phenolphthalein indicator. Original color is colorless. In acidic medium, there won't be any change in the color. In basic medium, the phenolphthalein indicator changes to purple color. We can identify whether the solution is acid or base with the help of the change of the color in the indicator. Olfactory indicators. These indicators are those indicators whose odor or smell changes in acidic and basic medium. We have vanilla extract, clove oil, and onion extract. These are the olfactory indicators. Suppose if I rub a small cloth strip with onion and then I'll put a small drop of acid on the cloth strip, what will happen? In acidic medium, we can find the characteristic smell of onion. Whereas if I put a small drop of sodium hydroxide, that is a base, then we cannot detect the smell of the onion. Similarly, the characteristic smell of vanilla extract and clove oil, we can detect its smell in the acidic medium. But in basic medium, we cannot detect. In the base, we cannot detect the characteristic smell of vanilla extract or clove oil. This is how the olfactory indicators are useful in detecting the acid and the base with the help of the smell or odor. Let's summarize. We have three types of indicators: natural, synthetic, and olfactory indicators. Litmus paper indicator, acidic medium, blue to red, basic medium, red to blue. Turmeric, acidic medium, yellow in color, basic medium, red. China rose, in acidic medium, dark pink. basic medium green. Red cabbage, acidic medium red, basic medium green. Hydrangea, in acidic medium the petals will be blue in color, it will remain same, and in basic medium petals will change into pink color. Synthetic indicators, methyl orange indicator, acidic medium it will turn to red and basic medium yellow. Phenolphthalein indicator, acidic medium it will be colorless and basic medium it is pink. Olfactory indicators, onion extract, vanilla extract, clove extract. In acidic medium, we can detect the characteristic smell of this extract. On the other hand, in basic medium, smell is destroyed. So this is how, with the help of the indicators, we can identify a given substance, whether it is acid or a base. Thank you all.